Ang ganda dito. Grabe. Look at that sand. It's day 3 in Langkawi. Today is December 26. And we just woke up. And anong oras na nga?
8:53.
It's almost 9 a.m. And we're gonna go out at 10 a.m. and we're going to Tanjung Ru. So ano muna kami ngayon? Morning. It's not coffee, Milo siya. Ayan, and then kasi at the end of every day, we track our expenses, nire-record namin. And then we also save our videos. Aray, nung tupang. We also save our videos sa laptop kasi 128 gig lang yung memory ng SD card namin dito sa Action Cam. So, sinisave na lang namin yung mga videos at the end of the day. And that's what hubby is doing right now. Ayan. According to forecast yesterday, it's gonna be rainy all throughout the day. Pero I checked the forecast again. 35% chance of rain na lang siya. And until 11 a.m. na lang. And then onwards, cloudy na lang siya. So it's still a good day. I think maganda rin yon na it's not too sunny. Kasi nga, mahirap din namang mabilat sa dagat, diba? So, I think it's still a good weather today. So this is our view while having our Milo. You ready to explore Tanjung Ru? Let's go. Tanjung Ru. Wait lang. Hi. Oh, the husband is checking us in. Nice. Ilan natin yung pa-snowman nila. Ay! Nagdadaanan akong spider web.
Ha?
May nadaanan akong spider web kasi umano sa mukha ko.
Ha?
Good morning! What? Seryoso ka ba? Huwag ka naman. Huwag ka dyan. Mamaya mapapatingin talaga ako. What if oo? Wow! Yannick Sinner. Wow! Koi pond.
Ganda.
Told you. This is Tanjung Ru. White sand. Oh my God, ang kalmado. Ang ganda dito. Grabe. Look at that sand. And wala masyadong tao because, yeah, it's a private beach resort. Look at that! That's nice. So nice. Gusto na yung asawa ko. Look at that. Tanjung Ru! Diyan mo gusto? Diyan mo gusto?
Yeah, ma. Ano lang yung bakante?
Okay. Now, punta kami sa tubig. Hindi ko pala natanong kung meron jellyfish ba dito.
Okay.
Ang ganda. Wala masyadong tao. Now look at the water.
Parang hindi ako makapag-video dito.
Why?
Nag-enjoy ko.
Di ba? Okay. Waste segregation.
Seven a.m. to 11 p.m.
Meron
It's
sila.
up.
Tambay lang sila. Saan mo balak maligo mamaya? Sa beach or sa pool?
Beach. Ikaw.
Beach.
Gusto mo sa pool?
Depende pa.
Anong pool muna? Tapos beach naman.
Yeah. So currently, the flag is green. Ewan ko kung halata sa video. So, husband, please explain anong meaning
Kung green daw, safe maligo.
sa dagat. Okay.
Kung red, may risk. Pero hindi ko nabasa kung ano yung risk.
Okay.
Mamaya na lang.
Exploring the Tanjung Ru Beach. Wala talaga masyadong tao, no?
Dun sa,
Which is good.
sa dulo yung madami.
Yeah. Kasi doon ata yung area na hindi nasakop ng private resort.
And dun yung may mga water
Sports activities. Yeah.
activities.
So we booked a day pass sa Tanjung Ru Resort. So wala lang. Bakit nga ba tayo nag-book ng day pass?
Kasi mahal yung per night nila. So,
Yes. Yun talaga yun. Mahal yung per night nila, but since gusto din namin ma-experience yung Tanjung Ru Beach and yung maganda nilang pool, ayun. So we just book a day pass. Actually sa mga private resort, isa lang siya sa nag-o-offer ng day pass, 'di ba?
yeah. Wala masyado yung iba.
Madadamot sila. So take it Tanjung Ru Resort at may day pass kayo. So ano siya, 'di ba? 250 per pax.
Mhm.
And then meron ka ng 200 consumable na voucher, 'di ba?
Mm.
Yeah. Ayun. And then you can use the 2 pools. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Mm. And then yun nga, access sa beach.
So kiss me under the mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go.
Katatapos na naming maglakad-lakad sa beach and magla-lunch muna kami dito sa isa sa kanilang mga restaurants. And look at that view. Hello. Hi. What is here? We have spring rolls, mutton masala, pineapple fried rice, no? Tanjung Ru special fried rice, chicken curry, then our drinks is pineapple and then Coke Zero.
Well,
Eat well. Love you. Let's try the spring rolls first. Okay. Parang ay, yung sinasabi ko, oh. Kita mo, hindi yung dessert.
yeah. Mas laki ba? Parang mas
Mas
maliit
malaki.
siya.
Malaki yun. At yung sinasabi ko yung singkamas yung ano pala man.
Rice.
I'll try muna the fried rice. Gusto mo ito, may pinya. Fried egg to.
Yan ako pa inisip ko ano yun.
Ang sarap ng fried rice. This is mutton. Ano yung mutton?
Lamb. Diba? Hindi siya nalalayo sa
Rendang. Mas massive siya sa rendang. Yung rendang mas creamy. Ito parang walang cream to. Or something.
Sasama yung coconut sa rendang.
Rendang. Ito naman. Chicken curry.
Ang kabalan ko.
Ano ba?
Yung sauce.
Ay, sambal yan eh. Parang mas masarap pa yung curry ko dito.
Iba yung curry niya. Yung curry sa Pinas. Iba.
Pero authentic naman na lasa ng curry.
Pero siya ibang style na.
Okay, we're done eating as usual. Ubos. Hinga lang konti, then swimming na. Medyo cloudy na, may chance na umambon, pero hindi naman siya yung babagsak na ulan.
So kiss me under the mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know. But for now, Merry Christmas. We'll dance in the kitchen while embers glow. We've both known love, but this love we got is the best of all. I wish you could see it through my eyes, then you would know. My God, you look beautiful. Right now, Merry Christmas. The fight is raging on, and we'll all sing along to the song. Just having so much fun.
namin yung pool. And then it's also raining. Lipat naman kami sa beach. It's drizzling a bit. Ready to swim?
Yeah.
Sa beach. Let's go.
God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas. The fire is raging on, and we'll all sing along to the song.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa public area ng Tanjung Ru. Gahanap kami ng ATV operator kasi gusto namin mag-ATV. Alam mo, na-realize namin, hindi naman pala namin kailangan mag-day-pass pa dun sa mamahaling resort. Pwede naman pala dito sa public beach lang. Kasi pwede mo pa rin namang ma-access yung dun sa bandang dun ng beach. Siya, tanongin mo kaya siya. I think, meron siyang ano oh. Meron siyang touch and go na
So for key, switch on here, and then this brake and brake. If you want to start, hold the brake and press start. And remember, don't touch this. This is emergency stop. If you accidentally press the gate. And then here the gas. Not like motorbike, you must press this slowly until this button moving.
Dati na-stuck na rin.
Na-stuck pa tayo.
Oo, na-stuck tayo.
We'll dance in the kitchen while embers glow. We've both known love, but this love we got is the best of all. I wish you could see it through my eyes, then you would know. My God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas. The fire is raging on, and we'll all sing along to the song. Just having so much fun. While we're here, can we all spare a thought for the ones who have gone? Merry Christmas, everyone. So just keep kissing me under the mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know. For now, Merry Christmas. We'll dance in the kitchen while embers glow. We've both known love, but this love we got is the best of all. I wish you could see it through my eyes, then you would know. My God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas. I feel it when it comes. Every year helping us carry on. Fill up with so much love. All the family and friends are together where we all belong. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's Christmas time for you and I. We'll have a
5-minute break bago ituloy yung ATV and then we're done with the ATV. Nice water, no? O, diba?
Yeah.
It's good na nag-ATV tayo. Pero feeling ko kaya pa rin naman natin lakarin to. Nandun tayo sa Tanjung Ru.
Oo, pero
Paikot
hindi
lang to
natin
eh.
lalakarin to kung hindi tayo nag-ATV.
Ay, kasi hindi naman natin alam yung
Ah.
spot na to. Nice water, di ba?
Yeah. Parang mas magandang aliguan dito.
Di ba? Oh, actually.
Mas pwedeng dala lang ng picnic dito.
Kaya nga, di ba yung mga yung nagka-camp, tsaka
Yung mga lilim.
nagpo-picnic sila. Nice! We're done ATV. Ang saya, di ba?
Yeah.
That's why ATV is one of my favorite favorite ano?
Favorite.
Favorite na gawin. Ayan, so, parang, well, 3 days pa lang naman tayo, pero parang itong 3rd day yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa, ano, no? Nice.
Ito din naman talaga yung natin.
Ito din yung main highlight din talaga.
Kaya nga tayo masyadong stress sa weather.
Yeah, talagang ginastosan din natin yung entrance fee natin dito sa... Pero meron pala talagang area na ano lang siya, oh, public. Latag ka lang dyan ng mat. Then may mga pagkain naman din doon.
Mas maganda yung area din sa likod.
Yeah. Actually. Ligo pa tayo sa pool?
Ha?
Ligo sa pool?
Ikaw?
Yeah.
Lang.
Last dip and then wash na. This is the second pool here in Tanjung Ru. Anong mas gusto mong pool?
Ito.
Kasi ito lang yung kaya ng height namin. Sa kabilang pool kayo na malulunod kami, day. Well, this is their family pool din naman. So, yeah.
Tsaka family kami, so...
Oh, di ba? Okay, so food already arrived. We have pizza and then nachos, then drinks. Okay, let's eat. Bye, Tanjung Ru. Very nice. Final thoughts on our day 3.
Sulit.
Sulit, no? Yeah. So far, ito yung pinakagusto kong araw. May last day pa tayo tomorrow. So, yeah. That's it for day 3.